Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Runke, if you don't know. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get the perfect afro. As you can see, my hair is really dirty. This is all built up from got to be glued. So we're going to clean this up and get the afro. Oh, hi. You just need a couple of things. I usually use the Herbal Essenses conditioner. I also use their shampoo, and I just use a wide tooth comb to be able to comb my hair out. Now, I'm just going to saturate my hair with water. And then after that, make sure I part it to start the shampooing process. Shampooing your hair in sections is going to be very, very important, especially if you have thick hair like mine, because you don't want it to tangle all together. After I shampoo, I use the conditioner. I shampoo my hair twice and then I wash it out and I use the conditioner. I do not comb my hair while the shampoo is in my hair. However, when the conditioner is in my hair, this is where I like to detangle my hair so that it's easier for me to comb it out. I don't like combing my hair if there's no conditioner in it because it will get really thick. And this I've been doing since I went natural and it always works for me. And yeah. So this is basically how I detangle, and as I comb each section, I'm going to just braid it up to take it out of the way, and that way my hair is detangled and I know which sections are detangled. So after the sections are combed and in plaits, I'm now ready to get this afro popping. So I wanted this video to be kind of as realistic as possible and mimic my actual hair routine. I didn't want to do it in my bathroom, you know what I mean? I wanted to just be realistic. So I'm sitting on my bed and just amazed at how long my hair has grown. Wow. I haven't been doing anything, honestly, guys. I think it has just grown because I haven't been doing anything. So now what I try to do is wring out as much water as I possibly can out of this hair, because if there's too much moisture in your hair, it won't dry before the next day. And I usually like to do my afro not too dry because I end up misting it when it's too dry, but I just want it to be almost dry. So I just use my towel and wring out all the water out of each section. And then I put some shea butter. This is Simisola Naturals whipped shea butter. This on my hair. I really like using shea butter on my hair because my hair does really well with it. And honestly, hair routines don't have to be that too much. You don't have to do too much with your hair. And with my hair routine, it's pretty simple. I don't wash my hair that much. I don't condition my hair a lot. I've actually been doing a lot of low maintenance things to it. So just going to run that shea butter in my hair. Make sure there are no these clumps. Oh my goodness, those clumps are not the best. So I'm gonna grab a little bit. It's a little hard, so I'm just going to grab a little bit of it. Make sure I have some all in there and just warm it up between my fingers, or be my palms. I feel like the less you do to your hair, the more it grows. I haven't been doing much to my hair. I had Fulani braids for about a month, and after I took out the Fulani braids, my hair was this long. But I like to braid up the sections. This helps me stretch it out because, believe it or not, my fro is a little bit stretched. If I want a shrunken fro, I just go straight to puffing it out and having a fro, but I really like it. I feel like when anybody sees an afro, they automatically think like, oh my God, like she just woke up in the morning and she's good to go. No, that thing takes time. And even like when I take out my hair right now, it's not gonna form the perfect afro. So a lot of times what I have to do is wait till tomorrow. So my perfect afro is 2 days after I washed my hair. Now my hair is kind of dry. I did it, I think it was like 12 o'clock yesterday. That's why it's important to wring out the water from your hair. As you can see, I'm combing out the section. like this because I stretched this. Imagine blow drying my natural hair. I basically blow dried it naturally, not using heat. So I'm just gonna pick it, and I know this is counterintuitive, especially because we don't want a shrunken fro, but in some way for my afro to really form, it needs a little bit of water. So I'm gonna pick it out as much as I possibly can, and then I'm gonna spritz it with water so that just the ends like this can curl back, and so I get a bigger afro. And it's better for you to use a spray bottle just so that you can have like controlled where water goes. So I'm just gonna spray only on the top of my head, and that should make some parts of the afro shrink a little bit. I use this bonnet that has some silk on the inside and Ankara on the outside. This by Isoken, and I'm going to just put that on, and this is going to help me with my afro also. Okay, not on my face. Make sure that when you're wearing your bonnet, your hair underneath is where it's supposed to be, or else, like, I mold the hair to the bonnet. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully you guys get it. The afro should have started forming. So I'm just gonna put this on. Comment down below and let me know how you get your afro, or if there are any tips and tricks that anybody can use to get a perfect afro. Thursday is gonna be a lip tutorial. I know you guys have been asking me about that a lot, so I decided to do one. And I'll see you guys later.